How to get Roblox Premium. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search roblox.com and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. In here, at the bottom, you will find Get Premium. Click on Get Premium. After you click on Get Premium, you will find different benefits you get from Premium. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find all these options. Select Subscribe Now, which one you want to buy. After you've done that, select your payment type. After you select your payment type, add information about your payment type and purchase it. This is how to get Roblox Premium. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.